These ears are nice, but these other ones have a bit more firefly sparkle. Hey friends, we made it over here to the Critters Co-op, so let's go take a look at all the new Tiana's Bayou Adventure merchandise. Tiana's Bayou Adventure Ride opened on June 28th, and everything Tiana clothing and accessories are here at the Critter Co-op. Here's the Spirit jersey with Tiana's Bayou Adventure logo on the front left side, and on the back you have Louis and friends splashing down for a joyful celebration, which is the song from the finale. I really like this dark teal color with the offsetting yellow, which is a very nice combination, and I love the rich image of Louis and friends on the bottom half on the back side of the jersey. Disney, thinking of you riding Tiana's Bayou Adventure, knows you're going to get wet. So they've got a splashdown critter towel with all the critters and the Tiana's food tower in the background. This towel has nice bold colors, and for the size of this towel, $20.99 is a really good price. Here's Tiana's Bayou Adventure pouch. And I know what you're thinking, what the heck is this pouch? Well, this is a water-resistant pouch, and Disney is making some statements on the Disney Park blog that said that this is a water-resistant pouch that will keep your phone dry during the Tiana Bayou Adventure ride. So I'd love to hear from someone who's purchased this pouch. Did it really do its job? Leave a comment down below and let us know. I wanted to take a second to show you the off-white Bayou Adventure Woman's t-shirt, which has the Bayou logo across the front of it. They have it paired here with that light blue hoodie that I'm going to show you in a couple of minutes. This mannequin is also holding the little waterproof resistant pouch on the side so you can see the size of it for your phone. The other thing I wanted to show is this little teal or mint blue hoodie that has this embroidery on one side with the zipper front and pockets on each side. So on the back you have the picture of Louis and the critters coming down from the ride with "Let's Get to the Party" embroidered on the back. And then here's the front all zipped up. Now check out these socks with the trumpet flower with this dark blue background. You've got Ray the Firefly buzzing everywhere. I just really love the look of these socks. Next we have a fun t-shirt. Here's the shortcut to the Bayou adult shirt with Louis and the critters. This shirt is a lot like the pass holder shirt, but I love the whole gang on here, and I really like the looks of this shirt. Here's the Bayou baseball hat in a deep cobalt blue with gold yellow embroidery. This has a metal adjustable strap in the back and air vents around the crown. It's a really sharp hat for any man who needs to have a hat but looking for something different. Because you know you're going to get wet either on this Tiana Bayou ride or during one of the Florida storms. Here's a water-resistant bucket hat with the fireflies buzzing all around to keep your head and hairdo dry. I personally love bucket hats, and anything to keep my ears from burning, I am definitely down for. This is the opening season Let's Get to the Party shirt with the critters making their splashdown. You see it has the 2024 on the front of the log, and you have the Tiana Bayou Adventure logo at the top. Next is the open season Let's Get to the Party hat, which is a light tealer color with the critters on the front, and it's got a snap clasp to help you keep that hat tight on your head when you go down the rapids. Look at these chic Tiana ears with padded satin, the golden lily pad filigree that outlines each ear, very classy. There's a golden frame tiara topper with swamp green light colored stained glass. Just look at this piece. The gold outline on that stained glass, so elegant, just beautiful. Now the other set of ears they have are these Tiana's Bayou Firefly ears. It's a faux leather ear with Tiana's Bayou logo on one side and Louis playing his horn in the bayou on the other side, but in the middle is the Firefly magic. The lily pads light up with a fast, slow, or just on flashing. I think these ears are really cute, perfect to turn on during a night at Fantasmic or watching the Magic Kingdom Happily Ever After fireworks show. They are just really cool looking ears. Here's the new Tiana's Bayou Adventure Loungefly with a symbolic splashdown and Tiana's water tower on the front. The front pocket has all of our friends, Naveen, Tiana, Mama Odie, and Louis. The bag is black with green and teal coloring with fireworks and bright gold accents around the zipper and straps. Inside is a dark blue with the lily pad and tea vines, and it's a really sharp looking bag. Okay, let's jump over for some new things for our little princesses. A new Tiana Deluxe costume for kids. This beautiful gown is for sizes 4 to 10. This can also be found at the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique in that package. This is a satin bodice with sleeveless satin shoulder straps. There are 3 layers of decorative petals on the bodice, golden rickrack trim with sequins, 2 tiered ruffled petticoat skirt, and a button closure and a satin back. Next, you have these new Tiana custom shoes, sizes 7/8 to 2 to 3. These divine little green glitter infused toe and Roman sandal strap shoes have a Velcro-like closure. The iridescent sheen doesn't dull this faux leather shoe. I didn't see these in the Critter Co-op, but they were on DisneyStore.com. With a new deluxe costume comes a new deluxe accessory kit. This has a hair clip, earrings, and a necklace. Each item is molded metal, accented with faceted gems, faux pearls, and glittering enameled frogs. There are lily pads, lotus earrings, which have jeweled Naveen as a frog, the beaded necklace with a snap closure, and this is for ages 3 and up. Let's do some adventuring. Tiana has a new adorable Youth Firefly adventure dress in dark blue with a Tiana's Adventure outfit patch on the front left of the dress. It has a very cute dark blue color, and it spotlights Array's travels all around the dress. There are pockets on each side, and with a pair of blue or yellow pants or shorts underneath, I think this is a perfect outfit for any kid for the first day of school. And here's Tiana, ready for an adventure with Louis to find music for their party. Dressed in her adventure outfit with yellow shirt, safari pants, black boots, and a hat. This is a soft doll, similar to a lot of the princess dolls we see out there. But it's Tiana, all dressed and ready to go. How does Tiana get all the fun? Well, your kid can dress in this yellow jumpsuit for their next adventure. Sizes up to youth 12 in a small, medium, and large. Tiana's logo is on the pocket, and this jumpsuit has a waist tie, short sleeves, and is ready for any kid's next quest through the Bayou. And with any adventure, you need a bag, and this Firefly sling bag with Tiana at the party in green party dress is perfect. The bag is dark blue with Ray the Firefly trailing around the bag in accents of yellow. It's a perfect bag for any little kid who's just starting school. Definitely make all her friends jealous, and they'll be ready for any adventure. Looking for the latest Tiana Magic Band? Well, Tiana's Bayou Adventure Band with Louis on top is perfect. The straps are dark blue with the Tiana logo in green floating around. I've heard actually that this Magic Band has some surprise interactions during the Tiana ride. Have you gotten this new Tiana Bayou Adventure Magic Band and seen some of the cool new interactions? Let us know down in the comments below. So there you have it, all the new merchandise that has now become available over at the Critters Co-op in Frontierland at Magic Kingdom for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Did you see something that was one of your favorites? Let me know down in the comments. Hey, next we're going to show you all the new Tiana food and some home decor from the 20s. You ready to redecorate? Let's go!